Hello, if you'd like to know how I started my YouTube channel on a budget, stay tuned. First of all, let me tell you about my channel. My channel is all about craft. I love to upload tutorials about how to use the Cricut cutting machine and also how to use sublimation and other things. DUIs, I do a lot of DUIs, I do a lot of tutorials. And basically all those videos I'm showing others how to craft with their Cricut, which is a cutting machine, and sublimation and blinging out cups. We can make all kind of things. I have a website and I personalize all my clients' items, and I love to show people how I did that. If you don't know about what a Cricut is or what sublimation is, please check out my channel. And also you can check out my website also. It's charminggalboutique.com. I have a notebook right here to make sure I have the dates right. My YouTube channel in July. This month is September, and I have over 2,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours. And now my videos are monetized, which means you might have seen an ad before this video, and which means that I'm now getting paid by YouTube for all the ads they put on my videos on my channel. How to start your YouTube channel invest in an iPhone. I use my iPhone to record all my videos. I'm using my iPhone right now. Invest in a tripod. A tripod is what is holding my camera up right now, so it can be able to be sturdy, professional, and you don't have to be walking around with your camera, holding your camera up in your hand, or when you're trying to do something on the for your video, you need to make sure your camera is sturdy so people can see what's going on. Use natural light if you don't have a ring light. My ring light is being shipped right now, so I don't have it, so I'm using natural light right from the sun, right from my window. So make sure you have good lighting so people can see what's going on in your video. We don't want to be watching dark videos, and we want to make sure we see all the content in the video. Search for editing software. I use iPhone. I use iMovie. I love iMovie. It's free. You can use it on your iPhone, your iPad, your Mac. You can use it on any device. I love it. It's free. Just go on YouTube and search for videos to show you how to use iMovie. It's kind of hard to use in the beginning, but now I have it down packed. You need an editing software. For instance, when I'm talking, I talk a little bit too fast, so I have to go back and edit some of the stuff that I say. The next thing you need to do is try to design you a thumbnail. Design your thumbnail for each video that you make. Before, I thought I was doing my thing when I was doing my videos. Then some lady said, it'd be so much better if you had a thumbnail. I'm like, oh, what's a thumbnail? So I went on YouTube, looked up thumbnail, and I was able to create a thumbnail for each video that I use. Let me tell you the software that I use. I use Thumbnail Maker. And I have some other few that I'm going to show you in this picture right. The thumbnail makes your videos look very professional, so people can be engaged when they're looking on YouTube looking for videos. They'll see that you have a title of your video and a picture of what's going on, what's going to happen, or what you're going to be designing or developing in that video. The next thing you need to do is try to create you an intro. My intro is very simple. I have 2 pictures on my intro, and I added some music on there, and then I just put my YouTube and all of my social media contact information on that. So it's very simple, straight to the point, because I'm not too savvy with the computers, but I will be getting another one made. And just like my thumbnails, they're really simple too. Like I said, I just put down what the video is going to be about, and I put a picture of what I created in that picture, in that thumbnail. Make sure you have a nice background. Like for me, I create things. I have the machines that I've used to create the products that I put in my tutorials. My printer, my 2 printers, and then my cutting machine. And of course I have to advertise my business, my boutique. So there's so many other things. If you're doing makeup, if you're doing anything else, you can have backgrounds. You can buy backgrounds for the for your wall. You can put up fabric. You can go to the fabric store, put fabric behind there. You can put like a little shelf behind there. You can put anything decorative behind you to make it look professional in your video. I also have a divider I use. I can show you that picture right now. I use that sometimes, but I just wanted to show my what's going on in my videos. I want to show you guys how it really looks in my videos. Instead of hiding everything, I just left it like I have it when I do my videos. And just be consistent. Try to make videos once a week, or however many videos you say you're gonna make. Make sure you're consistent and stay with that the amount you're going to give your viewers. They're looking forward to your videos and they want to see you. So just make sure you stay consistent. Have a list of videos that you already want to work with, that you want to do, and also plan it. Upload videos and just don't use them all at one time. Upload them and then just record them and just upload them once a week. You can have a lot of them already recorded already, so just record them as you go, then upload them, you know, at the time that you want them to see it. Not all together, you want to spread them out a little bit so you can be able to get a lot of views from them. I went over a lot of things to help you to start your YouTube channel on a budget. The first thing you need is, number 1, a phone or a camera to record your videos on. Number 2, a tripod to hold that phone and camera up to keep it sturdy while you're recording your videos. Number 3, natural light or a ring light. Number 4, editing software. Number 5, professional thumbnails. Number 6, an intro. It can be very simple, but just a nice intro to put in the beginning of your video. Number 7, have a background. And number 8, be consistent. Upload videos. Don't wait forever to upload videos because your viewers really want to see what you have. So be consistent and set a time frame for yourself and to get those videos out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video inspires someone that is trying to get their YouTube channel up and running. Please stay tuned to this channel. I will be uploading another video by the time you finish watching this video. So it should be up and running. It should be up on my YouTube page now, and it would be how I was monetized within 2 months. So please check that out. If you are into crafting and you want to learn more about Cricut, sublimation, and blinging things out, please check my other videos out. Please like my video, subscribe, and click on that red bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. I do upload 1 to 2 videos per week. I also have a crafting Facebook group called Brown Girls Craft with Cricut, and we all get on that group, and I help with I help others with questions they might have on the craft that they are working on. And we also work together and show our crafts off. And I also do polls in that group every week, so the people in that group be able to vote on the topic they want me to do a tutorial on. And then the one with the highest vote gets a tutorial video. So thanks for watching.